see if I can get this here. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think, okay, all right. Oh, it's all fuzzy. Oh, okay, there we go. All right, hi, this is Becca Bell, and this is my blog, and I'm trying this new thing today called geocaching. My friend Miguel told me about it, and it's really neat. You find this thing, and you you leave your name, and like everyone who finds it leaves their name, so you've got this record of everybody who's been there, which is really cool because it's kind of, you know, like history is a record of stuff, and it kind of makes me think of archaeology too, because like you're finding stuff that someone left behind, and it's just really cool, and it's a fun thing to be a part of, and so yeah, he really likes it, so I thought I'd give it a try. I've kind of been looking for a while, and I haven't really, oh, I think I found it, okay, check this out, okay, alright, okay, alright, let's see if we can get this to, alright, okay, alright, so there's this thing, see, okay, so, alright, so, like, you take it out, and you leave your name. Wow, there's been a lot of people here, that's pretty cool, so, and I leave my name, and I'm gonna draw a little heart, so, yeah, me, and, so yeah, this is really cool, and, yeah, so thanks Miguel for telling me about geocaching, and, I guess maybe I'll do it again sometime, it's really kind of fun, and, yeah, so, oh, I think I see something else over there. That is so cool. They didn't talk about that on the website. Maybe it's not part of it. Oh, this is neat. Okay, I'm gonna go check this thing out, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!